Hello friends, welcome to my pharmacy channel. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions. Let's get started. But before start the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification of more upcoming videos. Let's begin. Question number 1. Pharmacokinetics is A. The study of biological and therapeutic effects of drugs. B. The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drugs. C. The study of mechanisms of drug action. D. The study of methods of new drug development. Answer is B. The study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drugs. Question number 2. What does pharmacokinetics include? A. Complications of drug therapy. B. Drug biotransformation in the organism. C. Influence of drugs on metabolism processes. D. Influence of drugs on genes. Answer is B. Drug biotransformation in the organism. Question number 3. The main mechanism of most drugs' absorption in GI tract is A. Active transport, carrier-mediated diffusion. B. Filtration, aqueous diffusion. C. Endocytosis and exocytosis. D. Passive diffusion, lipid diffusion. Answer is D. Passive diffusion, lipid diffusion. Question number 4. What kind of substances can't permeate membranes by passive diffusion? A. Lipid-soluble. B. Non-ionized substances. C. Hydrophobic substances. D. Hydrophilic substances. Answer is D. Hydrophilic substances. Question number 5. What is implied by active transport? A. Transport of drugs through a membrane by means of diffusion. B. Transport without energy consumption. C. Engulf of drug by a cell membrane with a new vesicle formation. D. Transport against concentration gradient. Answer is D. Transport against concentration gradient. Question number 6. What does the term bioavailability mean? A. Plasma protein binding degree of substance. B. Permeability through the brain-blood barrier. C. Fraction of an uncharged drug reaching the systemic circulation following any route administration. D. Amount of a substance in urine relative to the initial dose. Answer is C. Fraction of an uncharged drug reaching the systemic circulation following any route administration. Question number 7. Pick out the appropriate alimentary route of administration when passage of drugs through liver is minimized. A. Oral. B. Transdermal. C. Rectal. D. Intraduodenal. Answer is C. Rectal. Question number 8. Pick out the parenteral route of medicinal agent administration. A. Rectal. B. Oral. C. Sublingual. D. Inhalation. Answer is D. Inhalation. Question number 9. Parenteral administration. A. Cannot be used with unconsciousness patients. B. Generally results in a less accurate dosage than oral administration. C. Usually produces a more rapid response than oral administration. D. Is too slow for emergency use. Answer is C. Usually produces a more rapid response than oral administration. Question number 10. Intravenous injections are more suitable for oily solutions. A. True. B. False. Answer is B. False. So much for today, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.